Sai Ram students, welcome to the fourth session of chapter 3 addition and subtraction. So students, in the last session we were solving the word problems of problem set 9. So we had finished 2 word problems pertaining to problem set 9. So let's move to the third word problem. So the third word problem is, if Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957 and a thresher for rupees 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? So what's given in the question? Surekha Tai, she bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957. Also, she bought a thresher for rupees 32,609. So, what is the money she spent altogether? Means what money she has spent on the tractor plus thresher. So, let's write the statements, children. First is cost of the tractor. So cost of the tractor is rupees 8,07,957 and the cost of the thresher is rupees 32,609. So let's arrange them. So 8,07,957. So 7 in the units place, 5 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 8 in the lakhs place. Your next set is 32,609. So 9 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place and 3 in the 10,000s place. I have written 0 in front of 3. So let's add them. 7 plus 9 is 16. So 6 I have written in the units place, 1 carried over mentally. So 1 plus 5 is 6 in the tens place. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 I have written in the hundreds place, 1 carried over mentally. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 in the thousands place, 1 carried over mentally. So 1 plus 3 is 4. And in your lakhs place, 8 is there. So 8 will come as it is. So your answer is 8,40,566. So your final answer will be Surekha Tai spent altogether rupees 8,40,566. Your final answer is Surekha Tai spent altogether rupees 8,40,566. So let's move to the next word problem. The fourth one is, a textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production for the 2 years? So what is there in the question? The textile mill in the last year, it produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth and this year it produced 23,47,056 meters of cloth. So we have to find out for 2 years what was the total production, that is for the last year and for this year. So let's frame the statements. Cloth produced last year. So what is cloth produced last year? 17,24,938. And cloth produced this year, it is 23,47,056. 47,056. Now let's arrange them. So 17,24,938. So 8 in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 4 in the thousands place, 2 in the 10,000s place, 7 in the lakhs place, and 1 in the 10 lakhs place. Your second set was 23,47,056. So 6 in the units place, 5 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 4 in the 10,000s place, 3 in the lakhs place, and 2 in the 10 lakhs place. Now we'll add them. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 4 in the units place, 1 carried over in the tens place. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 in tens place. 9 plus 0 is again 9. So 9 we'll write in the hundreds place. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 in the thousands place and 1 carried over in the 10,000s place. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 in the lakhs place and 1 carried over in the 10 lakhs place. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So your answer is 40,71,994. The total production of the cloth for 2 years is 40,71,994. Your final answer is the total production for the 2 years is 40,71,994. So let's move to the fifth word problem. If the government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to the schools, what is the total amount it spent on this equipment? So what is given in the statement? The government gave computers of rupees 34,62,950 and it gave TV sets of rupees 3,26,578. So now for both these equipments, what was the total amount that we have to find out? So we'll write the statements. Cost of computers is rupees 34,62,950. Cost of TV sets is rupees 3,26,578. So we'll arrange them as per their places. 34,62,950. So 0 in the units place, 5 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place, 6 in the 10,000s place, 4 in the lakhs place, and 3 in the 10 lakhs place. Now TV set 3,26,578. So 8 in the units place, 7 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, 6 in the thousands place, 2 in the 10,000s place, and 3 in the lakhs place. I have written 0 below 3 so that you don't miss it. You will have no problem while solving the sum. So now let's add them. 0 plus 8 is 8. So 8 I have written in the units place. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 in the tens place, 1 carried over in the hundreds place. So 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 I have written in the hundreds place and 1 carried over in the thousands place. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 I have written in the thousands place. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 in the 10,000s place. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 I have written in the lakhs place. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 will come in the 10 lakhs place. So your answer is 37,89,528. So your final answer is the total amount spent on equipments is rupees 37,89,528. Your final answer is, children, the total amount spent on equipments is rupees 37,89,528. So students, so these were the 5 word problems pertaining to problem set 9. So I hope students you are understanding how to frame the statements in the word problems. We have taken directly from the question only, we have framed the statements. So I don't think it is very difficult to frame the statements. So students, with this we have completed problem set 9, all the 5 word problems. So in the first session, children, we had seen that there are 4 types of operation. So in that 4 types of operation, first operation we had seen as addition. Now we are going to see the second type of operation, that is subtraction. Now what is subtraction? Subtraction means you are taking something away from a group or a number of things. So what is subtraction? Subtraction means you are taking something away from a group or a number of things. So here I have taken the example 65 minus 25. Suppose there are 65 apples and from that I take away 25 apples. So how many apples will be remaining? So 5 minus 5 will be 0 and 6 minus 2 will be 4. So there will be remaining 40 apples. So that means you are taking 25, you are taking away from the group of 65. So remaining is 40. So I hope students you have done this subtraction in your earlier standard. So let's move to the next part. So you have learned the subtraction of up to 4 and 5 digit numbers. So let's recall by taking a word problem. Last year 38,796 students took a certain exam. This year the number was 47,528. How many more students took the exam this year? So what is the question? There was an exam. Now in that exam, last year there were 38,796 students, and this year the number of students was 47,528. So you have to find out this year how many more students took that exam or appeared for the exam. So students, I hope you know that whenever we are carrying out subtraction, the greater number will come at the first and the smaller number will come below that. Now here 38,796 and 47,528. These are the two numbers. So in between these two numbers, which is the greater number? 47,528. It is greater than 38,796. So when you are carrying subtraction, so first the number will come as 47,528 and then you will minus 38,796 96 from it. So let's see how are we going to frame the statements. Number of students who gave exam this year is 47,528, and number of students who gave exam last year, that is 38,796. So we'll arrange them as per their places. So 8 in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, and 4 in the 10,000s place. Now your next number is 38,796. So 6 in the units place, 9 in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place, 8 in the thousands place, and 3 in the 10,000s place. So now we'll carry out the subtraction. In the units place, it is 8 and 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Now in the tens place, it is 2 and 9. Now children, 2 is a smaller than 9. You cannot subtract 2 from 9. So what you are going to do? You are going to borrow 1 from the hundreds place. What is there in hundreds place? 5. So you will cut there and there. You will write 4, and in the tens place, since you are borrowing, you will cut it and write it as 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Now in the hundreds place, it is 4. Again 4 is smaller than 7. You cannot subtract it. So what you are going to do? You are going to borrow 1 from the thousands place. So it will become 6, and in your hundreds place it will become 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Now in the thousands place it is 6, and down it is 8. Again you cannot subtract 6 from 8. So what you are going to do? You are going to borrow 1 from the 10,000s place. So you will 4 you will cut and write 3, and in the thousands place you will write it as 16. So 16 minus 8 will be 8, and 3 minus 3 will be 0. So 8,732 is your answer. So 8,732 more students took the exam this year. So how many students took the exam this year? 8,732 more students took the exam this year. So this was what you had learnt in the last year about the subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Right children? So I hope you know how to do the subtraction now. So in our next session, we will see about the subtraction of, first we'll take the revision, and then we'll start with the subtraction of the 6 and 7-digit numbers. So children, today we completed the problem set 9, all the word problems, and then we started with the subtraction, and the subtraction was based on the last year's revision. Right children? So link is being given for the worksheet. Please do it on time, and in the next session we'll start with simple subtraction sums. Till then, goodbye.